Are you there, Wilfey Bear? Where is he? Will you help me call him? Ready? Are you there, Wilfey Bear? Oh, there you are, Wilfey.
Oh, is Rivet going to ski down that slope?
Oh, never mind. Try again, Wilfey.
Oh dear.
Go on, Wilfey. Rivet might make it all the way down this time. What's that, Wilfey? Rivet should watch you?
Oh, you're not going to slide down on your feet, are you? Well, it is a little bit harder on skis.
Yes, Wilfey. I'm sure Rivet's got it now that you've shown him how.
Don't be surprised. Skiing isn't easy. Well, Rivet thinks it's hard. Maybe it is hard. Oh, where are you going?
Don't worry, Wilfey. Being on skis really isn't easy.
Oh, look at Rivet go. He can ski.
What's that? You're good at skiing too, Wilfey Bear. Are you sure you can do what Rivet did, Wilfey?
Oh, what's that? Does it pull you up the slope? Be careful. Oh, even going up doesn't look easy.
Oh, smooth. Good idea, Wilfey. A few exercises before you set off. Yeah, stretch it out.
Will you be going down soon? Oh, just a few more exercises. Can't be too careful. Is it time now?
Wilfey, you're skiing!
It was easy. Are you sure? It didn't look easy. Okay, keep practicing before you try anything harder.
Oh, don't go too far up, Wilfey. Oh, dear. Wilfey, it's much steeper now. Whoa! Watch out! Oh, Wilfey, be careful! Did you mean to do that, Wilfey? Oh no, Wilfey, I don't think I can watch you do that again. Are you sure you can do this, Wilfey? Wilfey. Wilfey, watch out for that bump. Wilfey? Wilfey? Oh, Wilfey.
Being a snowman is easier than skiing down a mountain, isn't it? It's amazing what you can do with your imagination.
So no more skiing then, Wilfey?
Oh, yes. Sledging is much easier.
Bye-bye, little Wilfey Bear. Bye-bye, everybody.